Welcome to Interior Blueprint, your guide to modern minimalist design. Here, we explore clean lines, functional spaces, and timeless elegance. Whether you're redesigning or just love simplicity, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment to share your thoughts with us. The rise of industrial kitchens has transformed modern home design, blending raw materials like exposed brick and metal with functional aesthetics. Imagine a space where steel beams meet warm wooden countertops, creating a perfect balance of ruggedness and comfort. Visualize this setting as the foundation for our exploration of lighting solutions that elevate industrial kitchens to new heights. Understanding Edison bulbs means appreciating their vintage charm and intricate filament designs. These bulbs are not just light sources, they're works of art, casting a golden hue that complements industrial textures. Picture a close-up shot of an Edison bulb glowing softly against a backdrop of weathered wood and black iron shells. This visual sets the stage for why these bulbs are indispensable in industrial settings. Pendant lights bring versatility and functionality to any kitchen, especially when paired with industrial themes. Envision a row of matte black pendant lights hanging above a sleek kitchen island, their cables adding a touch of minimalism. The interplay between light and shadow creates depth, making the space feel both inviting and practical. Let's delve deeper into how these fixtures can redefine your kitchen's ambience. Warm versus cool lighting is a crucial decision in industrial kitchen design. Warm tones evoke coziness, while cooler shades provide clarity for tasks. Picture a split-screen visual. On one side, a warmly lit kitchen bathed in amber light. On the other, a crisp white glow illuminating stainless steel appliances. Each option tells a different story about mood and purpose. Now, let's explore which works best for you. Pairing Edison bulbs with metal fixtures amplifies the industrial vibe, creating harmony between form and function. Imagine brass or copper sockets cradling vintage-style bulbs, suspended over a rustic dining table. The metallic accents catch the light, adding subtle brilliance to the overall composition. This combination proves that even small details can make a big impact. Shall we move forward? Creating a focal point with pendant lights involves strategic placement and thoughtful design. Visualize 3 oversized pendants descending from high ceilings, drawing attention to a central prep area. Their bold shapes contrast beautifully with the simplicity of surrounding elements. This technique ensures your kitchen doesn't just shine, it captivates. Stay tuned as we uncover more tips. Mixing and matching bulbs for visual interest allows endless creativity in industrial kitchens. Consider a cluster of mismatched pendant lights, each featuring unique Edison bulbs dangling at varying heights. The result? A dynamic display that feels curated yet effortless. Such arrangements reflect personality while maintaining cohesion within the industrial theme. Let's transition smoothly to another key aspect: incorporating Edison bulbs into open shelving adds layers of warmth and character. Picture floating wooden shelves lined with glass jars, books, and plants, all illuminated by small Edison bulbs tucked discreetly beneath. This setup transforms ordinary storage into a glowing showcase. It's proof that lighting isn't just functional, it's transformative. Ready for the next idea? Using pendant lights above kitchen islands ensures task lighting meets style. Visualize a long marble countertop flanked by bar stools, with geometric pendants casting soft pools of light below. This arrangement not only brightens workspaces, but also enhances social interactions during gatherings. Lighting here becomes both practical and atmospheric, a true win-win. Keep watching for more insights. The impact of lighting on kitchen workflow cannot be overstated. Proper illumination streamlines cooking, cleaning, and entertaining, turning daily chores into enjoyable experiences. Picture a chef chopping vegetables under focused pendant lights, their movements precise and unhindered. Good lighting eliminates guesswork, fostering efficiency without sacrificing beauty. Let's continue exploring its multifaceted role. Energy efficiency of modern Edison-style bulbs makes them a smart choice for eco-conscious homeowners. While retaining their nostalgic appeal, these bulbs now come in LED options that consume less power. Imagine a cozy corner lit by energy-efficient Edison bulbs, proving sustainability and style can coexist seamlessly. This innovation bridges past and future effortlessly. Onward we go! DIY tips for installing pendant lights empower you to personalize your space affordably. Picture step-by-step visuals showing tools laid out neatly, wires being connected carefully, and final adjustments made with pride. With patience and guidance, anyone can achieve professional-looking results. Empower yourself with knowledge, and let there be light. Almost done. Stay with me. Where to buy quality Edison bulbs and fixtures matters greatly in achieving authenticity. Think of browsing through artisan shops online or visiting local markets filled with handcrafted treasures. High-quality pieces ensure durability and aesthetic consistency. By choosing wisely, you invest in timeless elegance rather than fleeting trends. And now, let's wrap things up thoughtfully. Thanks for watching Interior Blueprint. We hope this video inspired your journey into modern minimalism. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and share your ideas in the comments. Subscribe for more design tips, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, happy designing